Hi everyone and welcome to this new video. I'm Deepa and today I'm gonna present you the new KTH-USB. So first of all, we're gonna open the box and have a look inside of it. And I'm gonna show you the items you will find inside the box. Okay, so first of all, we can have a look at the KTH-USB. Package was already opened because this is definitely not my second take of this video. But anyway, we can see that that's the new version of the KTH-USB. It has a USB Type-C and a new screen with a backlight, and it obviously has the two K-type connectors. We can see that on the back side it has a AA slot for batteries, and that's pretty much it. We're gonna turn it on later. Then we have a USB-C cable, Type A to Type C, and this is obviously for connecting your KTH-USB to the computer. Then we have an holder that goes on the back side of the KTH case. This panel, this one. And it's used to hold the KTH vertically into place or horizontally, it depends on how you want to place the holder. And then obviously we have the case that needs to be installed on the PCB using these 8 standoffs and 8 screws. And I'm gonna show you later how to assemble the KTH. So first of all, I'm gonna try to turn on the KTH by inserting this battery. Okay, and let's power it on. Hope the battery is into place. Yeah, and I think we need a K-type connector to actually see the temperatures. So you can see that with this button, this is backlight button, you can see that I can turn on the backlight and it's gonna be a lot better with the case, I guess. And maybe also in a low light scenario, not like this one in the video. And yep. See you later when I start assembling the KTH. Okay, I'm back with all the necessary stuff to assemble the case, and I'm gonna show you what to do before starting the assembling process. So first of all, you have to remove the protective film. I think that some people forget about it, but the acrylic on this product comes with a protective film. It's the same for the PMD USB and the new EFC X9 that should come out soon, I hope. And here you can see that the acrylic is perfect. Just I kinda like ruined it with my fingers. There's fingerprints all over it, but I'm gonna clean it after that. We're gonna also do the same thing on this piece, hoping I do not rip off the film before removing it completely. Okay, that was perfect. And also this corner. No. Let's see. It was almost perfect. It's not satisfying now. Okay, so now that we've done this, we're gonna have to take the two standoffs and put it on the, take one of each, sorry, and we're gonna assemble it on the PCB. So I'm gonna take this standoff and put it from the bottom of the PCB, so like this, and take the other one and screw it on top of it. Okay, it should look just like that. You can also do it the other way around, so the one that I put at the bottom, you can put it at the top. They're the same height, so there shouldn't be any problem by doing that. That's just one way I do it. Okay, so while editing the video I noticed that I forgot to remove the plastic film onto the screen. So what I'm gonna do now is just remove the plastic film on it for you, and just keep in mind that there's a plastic film on the screen and you have to remove it. We can proceed by taking this acrylic piece and put it at the back side of the KTH. Oh, also I did skip this part, but do not use a cotton cloth to clean the acrylic. It's gonna scratch it really badly. So try to use like something like the microfiber cloth, or the cloth for cleaning glasses, lenses. Don't know if that's the correct name, but if you wear eyeglasses, you can use the same cloth to clean the acrylic. Obviously, do not like put too much force on it, because it's probably gonna scratch it. But I had really bad experience with cotton and acrylic, so I'm not gonna try it again. So as you can see, I took a couple screws and I'm screwing them in a cross pattern, just so it holds into place and does not move. And I'm also gonna do the front side, and then I'm gonna complete back, because I want to see how it looks when fully assembled with all the pieces put together. Okay, while off camera I did also put the other screws back and I finished assembling it. I also attached the holder, and now it can stand in place like that. It's a bit hard to see. It can also be extended if you need another angle, I don't know. And yeah, it can be rotated at 360 degrees. So yeah, it's up to you if you want to use it or not, or how to use it. So now that we have the KTH assembled, we're just missing the K-type probes that go into here and are used to read the temperature. These are sold separately, so you will have to buy them on the ElmorLabs online shop, but they're sold separately. from the KTH-USB, and they're just simple probes. They're used to read temperature. As you can see, you can't read any temperature if you don't have those. But first thing first, I'm gonna tell you, we're gonna talk about the specifications of the KTH. So, as I said previously, the KTH is used for low temperatures, so cryogenic applications, and it can also do high refresh rates from 20 Hz to as low as 1 Hz. It works with common K-type probes, the ones that I will show you a bit later, and can be powered up to 30 days by using this AA battery. And it also uses a USB-C interface to connect with your computer and other devices, computer devices. And oh yeah, it uses a UART interface through USB-C to also logging and firmware updating. So it has an adjustable auto on and off function. It can be calibrated up to 195.8 C or 0 C and a maximum of 100 degrees Celsius. It has a built-in menu system that is used through the power button, and it also has this backlight button, as I showed previously, that it has 3 levels of lighting, and then it goes off. Okay, so I'm gonna show you some settings that you can find by using the power button to navigate the menus. As you can see, there's a couple of them that can be useful to you, and I'm gonna start with the AOF, and it sets the auto off timer in minutes. Setting it by 0 disables the on-off function. So what I'm gonna do right now is, okay, 60 seconds, 90 seconds off, basically. So to select the options that you want to use, you have to, I'm gonna show it again because I didn't tell it before. You're gonna have to go to AOF, press the power button for a couple seconds, and then it will let you go into this menu. Obviously you have to be fast, like this. Okay, I'm gonna press it again. Now the option won't confirm and it should go back to the screen. And now the auto on off function will be set to 90 seconds. Obviously the same thing of pressing the power button for a couple seconds works for every menu that there is into the that's available on the KTH. So that was the AOF menu. This is the Uni menu. This tab sets the temperature to display only, and the options are Celsius, Fahrenheit, Kelvin, and no unit, I guess. So I'm gonna go there, press it for a couple seconds. Okay, now it's in Fahrenheit, C, Fahrenheit, and no unit. Okay, Kelvin is no unit on the screen. It's just not, it doesn't have an LED, let's call it like that. So then we can find the SPE setting. So this sets reading value speeds. This should be 4, 5, 6, 8, 0 hertz. Okay. Okay. Oh, so how it works? Okay, I'm gonna have to navigate through the menu again. So this works in values from 0 to 8, and higher numbers mean faster reading update rate, and lower numbers of averages. So the number of averages equal to 2 elevated by 8 minus x. So that's math. I am not really good at math, and I'm not gonna go into details, but I'm gonna probably put the leave the datasheet in the comments, and you can also find it on the site with the KTH available. Then we can find the CAL setting. That's another important setting, because this is the calibration menu. So this lets you select the types of calibration, and there's a USR, that's the user calibration submenu, and the FAC, that's the factory calibration. So what I'm gonna do now is calibration, press it, factory, oh, okay, and now it's on factory calibration. I can get a temperature reading from them. Okay, that's ambient temperatures apparently. Let me find something to read the temperatures of. Oh yeah. What's better than a CPU? A deleted CPU. So I have no idea which one it is. Oh, I also connected them the right way apparently, so I didn't kill anything. Not that it's gonna kill anything. They seem to be calibrated like very well, since they're reading almost the same temperature. Let's say that there's like a 0.5 C difference between them sometimes. Okay, maybe it's a bit more right now, but yeah, I should test them properly. Now I really have no surface to test them with. Maybe I can untangle one. Oh, okay, this one is connected to port 1, I guess. And it's reading 30 C off of my fingers. Gonna do the same to the other one. Yeah. Yeah, they work. So you can also read ambient temperature. That's nice. And I think that's pretty much it for the KTH as a standalone. I'm gonna meet you again in a new video with this magic cable that's gonna connect from the USB-C connector type here to the computer. And I think I'm gonna do that later. Hopefully the video was not too bad. And see ya.